Hello friends, Namaste and welcome. I hope you are great and you are preparing for your exam in a very well manner. So this is Vipin Sharma, one of the quant educator at oliveboard. I hope you are well. So today we are going to discuss another episode of winner series. So in this class we are going to discuss the mixed variety of questions from different chapters. So moving ahead, before starting I would like to say this is the tier 2 batch. If you want to prepare yourself for targeting tier 2 exam and you want to have a quick revision of the complete syllabus, so this is the right batch for you. In this batch you will get 1500 plus MCQs question. Through this you can get orientation of all topics, right? So here we go. This is the first question. Please tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question, everyone. Yes, please. Did anyone get the answer? Please put your answer in the comment box. See, Jeet's annual income is rupees 50,000 more than the Priya's annual income, and Jeet pays rupees 8,000 more income tax than Priya. If Jeet pays 12% tax and Priya pays 10% tax on their annual income, then what is Jeet's annual income? Tell me what is Jeet's annual income. See, income tax is always charged from the total income, right? So if we can say that Jeet's annual income is 50,000 more than Priya's annual income, so let Priya income, or we can say Priya's annual income is rupees X. So the income for Jeet, or we can say Jeet income is going to be X plus 50,000, right? X plus 50,000. Now question is saying Priya's annual income and Jeet pays rupees 8,000 more income tax than Priya if Jeet pays. See, what is the income tax paid by the Jeet? That is 12% of their income, right? So what is the income of Jeet? X plus 50,000, right? So Jeet pays 12% of his income, whereas Priya pays 10% income tax on rupees X, right? Is this clear? And the difference is equal to how much? 8,000, right? Yes. So you can solve this. After solving this, we will get 12% of X plus 12% of 50,000. How much? 12% of 50,000, we will get 6,000, right? Yes. By percentage, 2 zeros are cancelled and 500 into 12, right? So 6,000 minus 10% X is equal to how much? 8,000. So we can say that 2% of x is equal to how much? 2,000, right? 2% of x is equal to 2,000. So what is the value of x? That is equal to 2,000 divided by 2 into 100, right? So we can say that x is equal to how much? 10000, that is 1 lakh, right? So we can say that what is G's annual income? So we have got the value of x, right? So G's income is equal to 50,000 more than Priya. So we can say that 1 lakh plus 50,000, right? 1 lakh plus 50,000. So G's income is how much? 1,50,000 is the right answer. Yes, 1,50,000 is the right answer. That is the right answer, right? So we can say that Jeet income is 1,50,000. Yes, Mulka Masiya, you are right. 1,50,000 is the right answer. Okay, so we can say that income of Jeet is equal to how much? 1,50,000. So income of Jeet is equal to value of x plus 50,000, right? See, please tell me, can we calculate it directly? Yes, we know that the income of Jeet is how much? 50,000 more. Income of Jeet is 50,000 more, right? So tell me, see, income of Jeet is 50,000 more. So it means the income tax, more income tax paid by Jeet is equal to how much? 12% of 12% paid by the Jeet as income tax and 10% by Priya. So what is the difference? So difference is 2%, right? So we can say that 2% of Priya's income plus 12% of 50,000 is the difference. It's going to be difference. So directly we can say that 8,000 is the difference, or we can say Jeet paid 8,000 rupees more tax, right? So please subtract 12% of, see, subtract 12% of 50,000. So 12%, 50,000 of 12% is what? Subtract 12% of 50,000. What is the value of 12% of 50,000? That is equal to 6,000, right? So we can say that this 2,000 is going to the 2% of Priya's income, right? So this is equal to 2%. So what is the value of Priya's income? That is 100%, right? So we can say that Priya income is how much? 1 lakh, right? So directly we can calculate like this, and plus 50,000. So this is going to be Jeet income, right? So Jeet income is given by 1,50,000. So this is how we can calculate it directly. So I think the process is clear to you all, right? So moving to next question. Now tell me, what is the answer of this question? Yes, please. Find the value of cosec theta divided by cot theta minus sin 2 theta divided by 2 minus 2 sin square theta sec theta plus tan theta. See, what we can do, either we are going to do it simply, or we can take our value, we can put any value, right? See, we can put 30 degree, 45 degree, and we can calculate it, right? If we know the basics, we can directly say that cosec theta is equal to how much? 1 upon sin theta, right? And what is cot theta? Cot theta is cos theta divided by sin theta, right? Simply, minus sin 2 theta is equal to how much? 2 sin theta cos theta. This is the formula of sin 2 theta, right? Taking 2 common, how much is left? 1 minus cos square theta into, this is in one bracket, into sec theta plus tan theta, right? So simply we can solve this. See, sin theta is cancelled by sin theta, right? And here 1 minus cos theta is equal to how much? Sin square theta. We know that. So by sin theta, 1 sin theta is cancelled, by 2 cancelled. So we can say that 1 upon cos, right? So 1 upon cos theta is how much? Sec theta, right? Yes, sec theta. Is this clear? So here we will get what? Here we will get cos theta upon sin theta. See, cos theta upon sin theta. So that is equal to how much? Cos theta upon sin theta. Sorry, this is taking 2, here is sine theta, not cos theta. See, write it again, 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine 2 theta is equal to, so taking 2 common, 1 minus sine square theta, yes, and 1 minus sine square theta is equal to how much? So 1 minus sine square theta is always equal to cos square theta, right? So cos square theta, 1 cos square theta will be cancelled, by 2 cancelled, so sine theta upon cos theta, so we will be getting sine theta upon cos theta, right? So we will get sine theta upon cos theta, right, into sec theta plus tan theta. So we can say that here we will get sec theta minus tan theta, bracket sec theta plus tan theta. So a minus b, a plus b, we will get sec square theta minus tan square theta, that is equal to 1, right? So we can say that 1, B part again is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, the question is saying the maximum number of boys, among them 1936 chocolates and 960 toffees, can be distributed in such a way that each boy gets the same number of chocolate and same number of toffees, right? So what we have to do? We have to calculate the SCF of 1936 and 960. See, we have to calculate the highest common factor of 1936 and 960. Now tell me what is the right answer. See, tell me, can we divide it by the, so we can check it by option, right? Can we divide it by 32? 32 is the highest number. Now tell me, both number can be divisible by 32? Yes, please tell me. See, not divisible by 32, right? So this is not divisible, so we can say that 32 is not the SCF, right? Is this divisible by 16? See, 16 1 ja 16, 3, 16 2 ja 32, not. So see, 16 1936, 16 1 ja 16, right? So how much? 3, 16 2 ja 32, right? 16. Yes, this is divisible by 16, and 960, this is also divisible by 16. So we can say that 16 is the right answer. Just checking by option, we can mark the answer, right? Otherwise, we will have to do it either by prime factorization method or by divisibility rule, right? So it will take time. So we can check it by the option only, right? So by option, we can say that C part is the right answer. 16 is the right answer. 16 is the right answer. Yes, please tell me. Find the value of 5.62 square minus 2.13 square divided by 5.62 plus 2. See, if I take it as a is equal to 5.62 and b is equal to 2.16, so we can say that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, right? So this is the question. We know that a square minus b square is equal to, so this is the basic formula of algebra. This is equal to a minus b into a plus b, right, divided by a plus b. So we can say that a plus b is cancelled, a minus b is the right answer, right? So value of a is 5.62 minus, and value of b is 2.13, right? So after subtracting, we will get how much? 12 minus 3, that is 9. So we will get 3.49. See, 3.49 is the right answer. So option C is the right answer. Yes, option C is the right answer. So just by observation, directly we can say that answer is 5.62 minus 2.13, right? Need not to write this much, right? So just by observation, without pen and paper, we can check the answer, right? So moving to next. Now tell me, what is the answer for this question? Tell me. So do you know the formula of sum of square of natural number, right? We must know the formula to do this question. We must know the formula of sum of square of n natural number, n natural numbers. So this is given by n bracket n plus 1 bracket 2n plus 1 divided by 6, right? N bracket n plus 1 bracket 2n plus 1. So this is not the complete series, right? So make it complete. We can say that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dash 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 plus 17 square. Just adding this, right? Plus 18 square plus 19 square till 36 square, and subtracting from the sum minus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square till 17, right? So we added in starting from 1 square till 17 square and subtracting the sum of 1 square plus 2 square. So with this we can ease our method, right? So directly we can apply here the formula. If we don't know the formula, so we are not able to do this, right? So anyhow we have to mug up this formula. So now directly we can say that here n is equal to how much? 36. Here n is equal to how much? 17, right? So n into n plus 1. So we can say that 36 plus 37 into, right? So n into 2n, 36 into 72 minus 1, 70, sorry, plus 1, so 73 divided by 6, right? Minus 17 into 18 into 17 into 2, 34 minus 34 plus 1, 35 divided by 6. Now please solve this, right? Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer. So after solving this, we will get how much? 14421, right? 14421 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Clear? So this is the simple calculation. You can do it on your own, right? See, by 6 this is cancelled 6 times, and by 6 this is cancelled 3 times, right? Just multiply it, you will get it, right? So moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Please everyone tell me what is the answer of this question. Again, very good question. So here we are going to use the concept of rationalization. So applying the concept of, see, we can take root 2 plus root 3 together. Here root 2 plus root 3 together, right? So simply we can say that, see, need not to use rationalization, right? See, these are the two fractions, right? So this is the A part and this is B part. This is A part, this is B part. So A plus B, A minus B. If we are going to multiply it, so A minus B, A plus B is A square. So we can say that the LCM is root 2 plus root 3 square minus root 5 square, right? So we can say that in numerator we will get how much? Root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5, right? And minus root 2 minus root 3 minus plus root 5, right? So we will get this. So root 6 bracket minus root 2 cancelled by positive root 2, yes, and root 3 is cancelled by minus root 3. So here we will get 2 root 5, right? So after opening the square, we will get 2 plus 3 plus 2 root 2 into root 3, that is root 6 minus 5, right? So we can say that root 6 into 2 root 5 divided by 5 cancelled, so 2 root 6, right? So 2 cancelled by 2 and root 6 is cancelled by root 6. So we can say that root 5 is the right answer. Again, very good question. B part is the right answer, right? So just having observation on the question, and first glance we seen that this is very tough question, right? So just looking on the question, many students feel that this is a tough question and they leave that question without trying to solve it, right? So whenever you get such kind of questions, just try to solve them, because these questions are very easy question, right? So such questions looks tough, but they are easy in nature, right? They looks tough, but they are not tough, right? So these are the easy questions. You must not leave these questions, right? You must not skip these questions. So moving to next question, tell me what is the answer of this question? Yes, please. See, A and B can do a piece of work in 18 hours and 30 hours respectively, and C can do the same piece of work in 36 hours. A and B started working together. A and B started working together, and after working for 5 hours, B left and C joined the work, right? After working for 5 hours, B left and C joined the work. Total time taken to complete the work is, see, A and B can do a piece of work in 18 and 13 hours. So A can complete a work in 18 hours and B can complete the same work in 30 hours, whereas C can do the piece of work in 36 hours, right? So this is the total time. So what is the concept? Concept is, whenever we have total time, so we have to take the LCM of total time, right? What we have to do? We have to take the LCM of total time first. So first we have to take the LCM. So what is the LCM? LCM is going to represent the total work. So what is the LCM of this? LCM of this would be equal to 180, right? So what is the efficiency? Efficiency is going to be 1 day work, right? Now tell me, what is the 1 day work? If A can complete 180 work in 18 days, so 1 day work is how much? 10, right? And 1 day work of B is going to be 6, right? And 1 day work of C is going to be 5. Is this clear? So we can say that, see, we can say that A and B started together and after working for 5 hours. It means A and B worked for 5 hours, right? Worked for 5 hours. So in 5 hours they completed how much? A and B together in 1 hour can complete 16 unit work, right? In 5 hours they will complete how much? 80 work. So now 100 work is left, right? So 100 work can be completed by, B is going to leave, right? So B left and C joined. Now A plus C going together going to complete the remaining work, right? That is the remaining work. How much? 100. So A and C together can do 15 unit work, right? So just divide it by 15. So how much hours we will get? 15 15 6 is 90. So 6 are complete, and how much? 10 by 15 hours, right? So we can say that together or total time would be represented. Now the question is total time. So total time is how much? 5 hours plus 6 hours and 2 by 3. So we can say that 11 whole 2 upon 3 hours is the right answer. Yes, 11 whole 2 upon 3 hours is the right answer. So B Bombay is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. 11 whole 2 upon 3 is the right answer. 11 whole 2 upon 3 is the right answer. Yes, 11 whole 2 upon 3 is the right answer. See, 11 whole 11 whole 2 upon 3 is the right answer. See, please tell me what is the answer for this question. What is the smallest perfect square number which is divisible by 12 and 15? 12 and 15. See, we can do this question just by taking option, right? By the option, go by option, we can solve it. So the answer must be perfect square. We know that 600 is not a perfect square and 800 is also not a perfect square. Now what we have to check? We have to check the both number must be divisible by 12 and 15, right? So for divisibility of 12, we must check 3 and 4 and 3 and 5. So both number must be divisible by 3 and 4, and 3 and 5 means 3, 4, 5. Number must be divisible by 3, 4, 5. 400 is not divisible by 3, so this cannot be the answer, right? So the right answer is D. D part is the right answer. So just checking by this, we can solve this, right? If you have to go it, calculate it by the basic method, so we can say that the smallest perfect square number, so we can say that LCM of 12 and 15 is equal to how much? So you can say that LCM of 12 and 50 is equal to 60, right? How much? 60. So we can explain or write 60 is equal to 2 into 3 into 10, right? So we can write it 2 square into 3 into 5, right? So how much number is missing to make it perfect square? So what we have to multiply to make it perfect square? So we can say that 2 square into 3 square into 5 square, right? So this is the first, or we can say the smallest perfect square which is going to be divisible by this number only, right? So we can say that this is going to equal 4 into 9 into 25, right? So we can say that 900 is the right answer. So this is the basic approach how we are going to solve it, right? So moving to next question, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, a train overtakes two persons. A train overtakes two persons walking along a railway track. The first one walks at 3 km per hour. The other one walks at 4 km per hour. The train needs 7.6 seconds and 7.8 seconds respectively to overtake them, right? What is the speed of the train if both persons are walking in the same direction? See, when a train is going to cross a person, whether that person is standing or moving, right? In both cases, train will have to travel, or we have to cover distance equal to its own length. In both cases, the distance would be same, right? So the distance would be equal, right? So we can say that distance is equal to how much? Distance is equal to relative speed into time. Right? So what is the relative speed? Let the speed of train is equal to x kilometer per hour. See, x is in kilometer per hour, right? So value of x. So x relative speed, direction is same, right? So we can say that x minus 3, right? So x minus 3 into time taken to cross it, right? How much? 7.6, right? 7.6. So this must be equal to how much? X minus 4 into 7.8, right? So it is in second, so we can convert it in r, right? So 60 into 60, right? Just dividing it 60 into 60, but 60 into 60, that will be cancelled, right? So this will be cancelled because they are equal, right? Got the point? So we can say that point is also cancelled, and by 2 this is cancelled how much time? 38 time, and by 2 this is cancelled 39 time. Yes, is this clear? So we can say that, see, 38x minus 3 into 38 is equal to 39 minus 4 into 39. 4 into 39. So we can say that taking x term to the same side, so taking 38 to the right side, we will get 39, x minus 38, we will get x, right? So here taking this portion to the, so we can say that 4 into 39 minus 3 into 38. So how much we will get? Just multiply it. 4 into 40, that is 160. 160 minus 4, so we will get 156, right? So 3 into 40, 120. 120 minus 6, how much? 120 minus 6, so that is 120, 114, right? So we can say that 2, so 42 kilometer per hour. X is equal to, x is the speed of the train, so we can say that the speed of the train is equal to 42 kilometer per hour. See, 42 kilometer per hour is the right answer. Yes, 42 kilometer per hour is the right answer. Is this clear? Yes, I hope this is clear, right? So now moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Again, very good question. AB and CD are two parallel chords of a circle such that AB is equal to 10 centimeter and CD is equal to 24 centimeter. If the chords are on the opposite side of the center and distance between them is 17 centimeter, then the radius of the circle is what? Now we have to calculate the radius of the circle. See, just take circle. See, this is the circle. So we have two chords, right? We have two chords and they are lying in opposite of the center, right? This is the center, and we know that the chord which is smallest in length is always away from the center, and the chord greatest or longest in the length is always near to the center, right? So here AB is 10, so we can say that this is AB, right? And this is CD. And we know that if we take perpendicular distance, right? Perpendicular distance passing from the center. So if we draw perpendicular from center to the chord, so it will bisect the chord, right? So the complete length is 24, so half is 12, right? So half is how much? 12. So this is going to be 12. This is going to be 12. So 12, 12, right? And complete is 10, so 5, 5. Is this clear? Just joining this, right? So this is the radius. See, now the complete perpendicular distance is how much? 17, right? So we can say that if this is x, so this is how much? 17 minus x. So the complete is 17, right? So just by observing the number, we can remember if one length is how much? 12, right? And one length is 5, right? So by 5 and 12 we have one triplet, 5, 12 and 17, right? 5, 12 and 17. Just by observation we can say that if we follow this, right? So 5, 12 and 17, it means if, sorry, 5, 12 and 13, not 17, 5, 12 and 13, 5, 12 and 13, this is the triplet, right? So we can say that, see, if this is 12, so if the value for x is, we take 5, so the radius would be equal to how much? 13, right? So let me check whether it is satisfying or not. So 17 minus 5, so this will become 12, right? And now the radius is 13. It means this triplet is going to satisfy the given condition. So we can say that C part is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Otherwise we will have to say that the radius is same. So according to the, if I take the name, right, P and Q. So according to triangle AOP, radius is equal to what? Radius is equal to 17 minus x square, right? Radius square is equal to 17 minus x square plus, sorry, or we can say r square. See, r square is equal to radius square 17 minus x square plus 5 square, right? And this is also equal to which? R square is equal to 12 square plus x square, right? So we can solve this, or we will get the x value, right? So after getting the x, then again take any equation, right, and calculate the r. Either we have to solve this much, or we can solve it smartly with the help of triplet, right? So moving to next, tell me what is the answer for this question. See, a polygon has a total of 90 diagonals. Number of side of this polygon will be. So we must know the formula for number of diagonal, right? So the number of diagonal is given by n is the number of side, right? So n bracket n minus 3 divided by 2, right? N bracket n minus 3 divided by 2. See, so the number of diagonal is 90 is equal to n bracket n minus 3 divided by 2. So this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side, right? So use value putting approach. Now tell me, by using the options, right? So which option is going to satisfy? Now tell me which option is going to satisfy it. Either going to solve it, so we can say that 180 must be equal to n bracket n minus 3, or we can say take any two factor of 180, their difference is equal to 3. So we can say that 18 into 15, right? 18 into 15, or we can say that 15 into 18, right? So the difference is how much? 3. So we know that n is equal to how much? 15, right? So with this help we can solve it, or we can say n is equal to 15. So 15 is the right answer. Yes, 15 is the right answer. So the value for n is equal to 15. 15 is the right answer. So moving to next question, could you tell me what is the answer for this question only? Yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question. Two stations P and Q are 333 km apart. If a bus leaves station P at 6 am in the morning at the rate of 66.6 km per hour, and the bus stops for 1 hour 20 minutes on the way, right? Then what time the bus reaches the station Q? Now the question is asking, then at what time the bus reaches station Q? So bus, at what time the bus will reach? So the time taken to cover the distance plus the stop time, right? Plus the stop time. So directly we can say that the time taken, so time is given by distance divided by speed. Speed is how much? 66.6, and plus stop time is 1 hour 20 minutes, right? So by solving this, we can say that removing the point, right, into 10. So this is cancelled by 2 times, and by 2 this is 5 times. So this is 5 hours, 5 plus 1, 6 hours, right? So 6 hours 20 minutes. 6 hours 20 minutes. So it started at 6 a.m. So 6 a.m. plus 6 a.m. plus 6 hours 20 minutes, right? So this is going to be 12:20, right? So 12:20 p.m. is the right answer. 12:20 p.m. is the right answer. So D part is the right answer. 12:20 p.m. 12:20 p.m. is the right answer. 12:20 p.m. is the right answer. Yes, please. Please tell me what is the answer for this question. The volume of an open cuboid tank is 4752 meter cube if the length and breadth of the cuboidal tank are 12 meter and 22 meter respectively, then find the total surface area of the cuboid. See, there is no change in the volume. Whether it is open or closed, there is no change in the volume. Volume is given by L into B into H, right? L into B into H. So we have length, we have breadth. So we can say that 4752 is equal to how much? Length is how much? 12. Breadth is how much? 22. And what is the value of H? See, after solving, so we can cancel it by 11. So on table 11, this is cancelled 2 times, and this is cancelled how much time? 11 4 ja 44, 3, 11 3 ja 33, and 11 2 ja 22, right? So by 12, this is cancelled how much time? 12 3 ja 36, and 12 6 ja 72, right? So by 2, this is cancelled 18 times, right? So we can say that height is equal to 18, right? Height is equal to 18. Now the question is saying find the total surface area. See, the total surface area of open cuboid. Note it, open cuboid, right? It means there is no top. It means that there is no top. So this is given by, total surface area is given by area of 4 walls, plus area of base, right? Area of base, or we can say base area. I think this is clear. So twice 2H is equal to L plus B plus L into B, right? So just if we know the formula, we can solve it, right? See, if we know the formula, we can solve it. If we don't know the formula, we cannot solve this, right? So in mensuration, we have to learn the formulas, right? Questions are coming only based on the formula. See, so we have to check it. So 2, what is the value for H? H is 18, bracket, value for L is how much? 12 plus 22 plus L into V, 12 into 22, right? So after solving, so we will get, see, 36 into 38 plus 12 into 22, right? 12 to the 24, 24 or 2, 26, right? If we have to multiply any two number which have difference 2, right? So their difference is 2. So there is a shortcut. This is equal to how much? Middle number is 35. 35 square minus 1. So we can say that 25, and square of 35 is how much? The shortcut is 25. 3 into 4, 12 minus 1. So the product of this is equal to 1224 plus 264, right? So we can say that 44884. So 1488 is the right. See how we are going to calculate it, right? So you can also focus on the calculation part, right? you have to focus on the calculation part also. So the answer would be 1488 is the right answer. Yes, 1488 is the right answer. So moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer of this question only. Which of the following is equivalent to 0.0413, right? 0.0413 bar, right? If we have to convert it directly, so what is the direct approach? Just take as much 9 as the number of digit under the bar, right? Take as much 9 in the denominator, as much 9 as the number of digit under the bar. So we have only 2 digit under the bar, right? There are 2 digit under bar, right? So we are going to take 29, right? So how much 0? The number without var after decimal, right? Number without var after decimal. So we have only 2 digit without var after decimal. See, 2 digit without var. So for numbers which are not having bar, we are going to take zeros, right? And for this we are going to take 9, right? Is this clear? So take the number, complete number as it is, and subtract the number which is without var, that is 04, right? So we can say that 413 minus 4, so we will get how much? 399 divided by 9900. So it is going to be cancelled. Sorry, 409 divided by 9900. Yes, so the answer is 409 divided by 900. So directly we can say that C part is the right answer. Yes, 409 divided by 9900. See, the simple technique is take 9 as much number of 9 as the number of digit under the bar, and take as much 0 as the number of digits without var, right, in the denominator. In numerator, take the complete number and subtract the number which is without var, right? So this is the funda, how we can calculate or how we can convert it into the fraction. So moving to next part, next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, sale of a pencil in a company is 2009 is 24,000, right? How much? 24,000. And it is going to be increased by 5% every year. If it isn't going to be increased by 5% every year, it means every year it is becoming 105%. So we can say that 105%. In second year 105%, then in third year also 105%, right? Now we have to calculate this. Right? So tell me what is the answer. So we can say that this is equal to 21 by 20, 21 by 20, 21 by 20, right? 0, 0, 0. 4 zeros get cancelled. So we can say that by 2 this is how much time? 12 times. By 2 this is 6 times, and by 2 this is 3 times. So we can take the unit digit. See, 3 into 1 into 1 into 1. The unit digit of the answer. Unit digit of answer must be 3, right? So there we are having only one option in which the unit digit is 3, right? So just checking this, we can solve it, or we can say that the answer is 27783, right? So after solving it, we will get 277. So no need to calculate all, right? Is this clear? Yes. So now moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. I told you in previous classes there is a formula of a plus b plus c whole square, right? So we must know this, right? So this is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 bracket ab plus bc plus ca, right? We have to calculate the value for abc. So abc is given by, value of ABC is given by A plus B plus C is given by square root of this, right? A square plus B square plus C square plus twice of AB plus BC plus C. See, we have the value of A square plus B square plus C square, that is 244, right? We also have the value of AB plus BC plus CA, that is 120. 120 into 2, see, 120 into 2, so it will become 240, right? So the square root of 484, that is equal to the value of A plus B plus C. Now tell me what is the square root of, so which value square is equal to 484? Do you know this? So I think this is equal to 22, right? So 22 is the right answer. Yes, 22 is the right answer. If you know the formula, you can solve it rightly. If you don't know formula, now tell me what is the answer of this question. So we must note that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. We must know that pi radian is equal to 1 degree. So we can say that 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi, and value of pi is 22 by 7, right? So we can say that 1 radian is equal to 180 into 7 by 22, right? So directly calculate. So we have to convert it, 11 by 15 radian, just multiply 180 into 7 by 22, right? So this is equal to be degree. So by 11 this is cancelled 2 times, and by 15 this is how much time? 15 ones are 15 and 15 twos are 30, right? So we can say that by 2 this is 6. So 6 into 7, 42 degree, right? So this is equal to 42 degree. I hope this is understood or clear to you, right? So we can say that 42 degree is the right answer. Yes, 42 degree is the right answer. One of the very good question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes. What is the least value of 3 plus x plus y if 10-digit number is divisible by 3? See, if a number is divisible by 3, so the sum of all digits must be divisible by 3. So we can say that 7 and 2, 9 is divisible, so leave it, right? 3 is also divisible. 3 is also divisible. 7 and 5, 12 is also divisible, right? So in 4, 3 is divisible, remaining is 1. So we can say that x plus y plus 1 must be equal to 3, so that it can be divisible. So the value of x plus y must be equal to 2, right? So the value of x plus y must be equal to 2. Now the question is asking or demanding what is the value of 3 plus x plus y, and we know that the value of x plus y is 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. A part, 5 is the right answer. Yes, 5 is the right answer. 5 is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. See, in a triangle, try this question. There is a triangle. So take the triangle. Name of the triangle is GHR. Name of the triangle is GHR. See, name of the triangle is GHI, right? See, two angles G and H are such that G is 3 times of angle H. G is 3 times of C. If this angle is X, so we can say that, sorry, angle H is X, so we can say that angle G is how much? 3x, right? And now the question is saying if the exterior angle of H. Exterior angle is, this is the exterior angle, and this is equal to how much? 165, right? So we can say that X is equal to how much? 180 minus 165. So this is equal to how much? So we can say that this is going to be equal 15 degree, right? 15 degree. So 3x is equal to how much? 45 degree. Is this clear? So what is the angle of I? So angle I is equal to 180 minus 15 plus 45. Don't go on figure, right? Minus how much? So this is equal to 120 degree, right? So we can say that 120 degree is the right answer. A part is the right answer. A Aravali Hills is the right answer. Yes, A Aravali Hills is the right answer. Focus on the concept only, right? So this is all for today. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for your patience. And I would like to say that if you are preparing for the tier 2 exam, so go and check it out. This is the best batch, right? Through this batch, you can quickly revise your syllabus. You can gain the confidence just attempting the questions. This batch is going to provide you 1500 plus MCQs, right? And these are the selected MCQs. And these questions has been selected by the experienced faculty like me, who is having experience of 8 to 10 years in the same field, right? So in this batch you will get 70 plus live class, concept plus PYQ, instant doubt clearing session and everything, right? So if you have not downloaded the app, so please download the app. Please download the app. This is going to be very much beneficial and helpful to you, right? Through the app you will get access of the free classes, right? So there are so many free classes, there are so many free concept classes running at the app, right? You can watch them, you can take the advantages of them, right? So and you can also take the PDF of the classes which are going to be which are taken at the YouTube only, right? So this is all. If you can join us at the Telegram, and if you have any kind of query, so you can WhatsApp us on this number only, right? Or you can join our official Telegram at oliveboard SSC, right? So this is all for today. And if you want to join or see the batches, right? So just go to the side of oliveboard. So you will get such kind of interface, right? So currently there is a 40% off plus 4-month offer on super selection sale, right? That is, the code of this is JEET, right? So you have to apply the code super for this, right? So this is the discount available on the best product of SSC Superlit on SSC plus Railway Superlit, right? If you want to check for courses, especially in English medium, just click on the courses. So you will get the interface like this, right? So just scrolling down, you will get in 4th column English medium courses, right? So the first is 40 days MCQs courses already running, right? SSC foundation course, if 2.0, if you want to prepare yourself from the very scratch, right? And targeting for the next year exam. So this is the very good batch. In this batch, we will cover each and everything starting from the zero, taking to you top level, right? So everything will be covered with concept clarity, with smart approaches, with exam approaches, with logical approaches, right? And different approaches of the particular chapter, right? So yes, we also have RRB NTPC 2024 CBT1 CBT2. So mostly or many exam is also, many students are also targeting for RRBs, right? Railway exam. So we have good vacancies, good number of vacancies. So we are also having batch for RRB NTPC, right? So you can check all these things, right? So this is all for today. Thank you guys for your patience, and don't forget to catch me at 5 PM on daily basis, right? I come live at 5 PM. So don't forget to catch me. So till then, Jai Hind. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Love you all.